homemade carpaccio. For this carpaccio, we need some beef tenderloin. Look at this one, it's beautiful. We're not gonna use all of it, just about 300 grams. The rest I'm gonna freeze for later. Now look at that, beautiful. I am going to season the outside of the steak with some thyme and peppercorns. That will give it a nice flavor. First we're gonna rinse the thyme, and I used a lot of it. And I'm gonna chop it fine. Now the peppercorns, and I'm gonna blend it. Now everything is ready. The pepper, the thyme. I also gonna use some salt. Now mix it. We only gonna coat the outside of the steak. Now the coating is done. We're gonna put it in some cling film, and it will be resting in the fridge for about 2 hours. And in he goes. Now we're gonna put the steak in the pan with some olive oil and let every side sear for a bit. Don't sear the steak too long, about a minute each side will be enough. Now the steak is ready. I let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna put it in cling film again, and we're gonna put it in the freezer for about 6 to 7 hours. I took the steak out of the freezer after 6 hours, and this is the result. It's frozen. Now we're gonna cut the carpaccio. Because we froze it, it's easier to slice. Now look at that, beautiful. I'm not going for perfect slices, because, I'm not a professional chef. I used the back of the knife to flatten the slices. I'm trying to make them as flat as possible, then let them rest for at least 10 minutes. Now it's plating time. First we're gonna put on the carpaccio meat. Look at that red color. You can really smell the thyme, the peppercorns. Delicious. I put on some lettuce, and it's a mixed lettuce. I also toasted some pine nuts. That will give it some extra flavor. We are also gonna add some cheese, and for this I use some parmesan. And we are going to top it off with some balsamic dressing. Delicious. Now look at that, beautiful. This is absolutely a winner. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. I like reading comments. If you have some suggestions or questions, ask me anything. You can also find me on Instagram. And as always, see you next time.